Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a portfolio on Wix. First, choose a template that truly reflects your professional style and industry. Next, begin adding your best work, focusing on quality over quantity. Remember to personalize the design elements, like colors and fonts, to align with your unique brand identity. Finally, always check how your portfolio appears on various mobile devices to ensure a seamless viewing experience for everyone. Now, let's dive into showcasing your amazing work. Upload high-resolution images and compelling videos that truly highlight your skills. For each project, write a clear and concise description, explaining your role and the project's outcome. Group your projects into logical categories, making it easy for visitors to navigate. Don't forget to add any glowing client testimonials to build trust and demonstrate your value. Personalizing your portfolio's design is key to standing out. Select fonts and a color palette that truly represent your unique aesthetic and brand. Arrange your content and elements thoughtfully to create a clean, professional, and easy-to-read layout. Seamlessly integrate links to your social media profiles, making it simple for visitors to connect further. Always ensure your branding remains consistent across every page for a cohesive look. You're almost ready to share your incredible work with the world. Before publishing, meticulously review every detail to catch any errors. Consider connecting a custom domain name to enhance your professional image. Once live, actively promote your portfolio across all your social media channels and professional networks. Remember to regularly update your site with new projects and achievements to keep it fresh and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.